Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina Wright here, and I am your prosperity coach right here out of Atlanta, Georgia, and it is a beautiful day in the neighborhood. All right, so I'm coming to you with this video today because I've got some emails, I've got some questions, asking me about dispute letters, right? If you're getting tired of those nasty creditors or those nasty credit bureaus sending you stuff saying that, hey, you sent that first letter off and they done sent you something back 30 days later saying, yes, it is your debt. Don't worry about it, friends. Don't worry about it. That is why at my econ, we have a whole system of 609 letters. So it doesn't stop at just the first dispute letter. All right. We have the second dispute letter, and that second dispute letter, is going to ask them who in the company verified the account, right? How did they verify the account? What's their name, their business address, their telephone number? You want to make sure it's not coming from a third party, right? You want to make sure that it's coming strictly from them. Then you want to ask them to include the documentation that was used to verify these accounts. All right, so do not get scared. Do not worry, because it's 4 rounds. It's 4 rounds of dispute letters. So just because you got a response back on the first letter and it wasn't removed, go ahead and send round 2, because you can get these people, hemmed up. You can really catch them in their little nasty lies, because it's not even a real person. It's not a real person verifying these accounts. It's going through a system. All right, so if this robot or this automatic thing can verify these documents, then bring it on, buddy. Bring it on. All right, so it's your job to go ahead and just go through the whole entire process. Go through the whole 4-letter process. Don't let these creditors trick you or fool you and make you feel like they got something up on you, because guess what? The strategies that we use here, you will have one up on them. All right, so just go through the whole entire process. Don't let these creditors scare you. All right, so if you don't have these 609 letters, if you don't have access to them, click the link in the bottom of this video. All right, and if you're watching me for the first time, I give out some really cool information. So all you have to do is ask the questions in the comment box or shoot me an email, and I can promise you the next video I will be answering your questions. All right, so friends, I have a motto, and that is you deserve to win. Take action. Send those dispute letters off. Don't be afraid. Make sure you have my cheat sheet. All right, my cheat sheet will make sure that you have all the whole 100% total credit score checked off. So you're not just working on one thing, and you're not just sitting up playing the waiting game, right? I don't know who told you that you had to wait. People say, oh, you got to just wait and pray, wait and pray. No, you can get these things done fast, all right? You don't have to wait. The more aggressive you are, the quicker you take action, the quicker your credit scores will change. All right, friends? So you deserve to win. I will see you on the inside. Bye-bye now.